Welcome to the YouTube SEO Masterclass. In this video, we will explore the complete strategy to get your videos discovered, ranked higher in search results, and recommended by YouTube's algorithm. Whether you're a beginner or experienced creator, these techniques will help you grow your channel significantly. YouTube SEO is the process of optimizing your videos to rank higher in YouTube search results and recommendations. Just like Google has SEO, YouTube has its own search algorithm that decides which videos to show to viewers. When you optimize your videos properly, YouTube shows them to more people who are searching for related content, which means more views, more subscribers, and more channel growth. YouTube SEO matters because it directly impacts your channel growth. First, it increases visibility in search results, so people can find your videos when they search for topics you cover. Second, it improves recommendations, which means YouTube recommends your videos to viewers watching similar content. Third, it builds sustainable long-term growth because your videos keep getting discovered months and years after you publish them. Without SEO, your videos rely only on initial traffic and algorithm luck. With SEO, your content becomes an asset that generates views over time. The YouTube algorithm works on several key factors. First is watch time. The more time viewers spend watching your videos, the more YouTube promotes them. Second is click-through rate, which is how many people click on your video when they see it in search results or recommendations. Third is audience retention. YouTube looks at whether viewers finish your video or leave early. Fourth is engagement. Likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions tell YouTube your content is valuable. Finally, freshness matters. YouTube gives priority to new uploads within the first few days of publishing. The algorithm combines all these signals to decide which videos to recommend. Metadata optimization is the foundation of YouTube SEO. Title is the most important element. It should include your target keyword at the beginning and clearly tell viewers what your video is about. Keep titles between 50 and 60 characters. Description should expand on your title, include your target keyword naturally multiple times, and add timestamps if your video is longer than 8 minutes. Tags help YouTube understand your content. Use 5 to 10 relevant tags with your main keyword and long-tail variations. Thumbnails don't directly affect SEO, but they improve click-through rate, which signals quality to the algorithm. Finally, category selection helps YouTube classify your content correctly for recommendations. Keyword research identifies what your audience is searching for. Start with seed keywords related to your niche. Use YouTube's search bar autocomplete to see what people actually search. Check YouTube's trending tab to find popular topics in your category. Look at your competitors' videos to see what keywords they target. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to analyze search volume and competition. Target long-tail keywords with lower competition. These are phrases with 3 to 5 words that are easier to rank for. Include your main keyword in your title, first 50 characters of your description, and a few tags. Remember, search volume tells you how many people look for something, and competition tells you how hard it is to rank. Balance both when choosing keywords. Watch time is YouTube's most important ranking factor. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. Use a strong statement, question, or visual to grab attention. Many viewers decide within 3 seconds whether to continue watching or leave. Maintain pacing throughout your video by keeping content engaging and fast-paced. Use pattern interrupts like scene changes, graphics, or topic switches every 30 to 60 seconds to prevent viewer fatigue. Add end screens and cards within your video to encourage viewers to watch related videos from your channel. This increases session time, which is the total time viewers spend on your channel in one visit. Longer session times signal to YouTube that your content is valuable and worth promoting. Engagement signals show YouTube your content is valuable. Likes indicate content quality and encourage viewers to engage. Ask viewers to like your video if they found it helpful. Comments are very important. They show YouTube your audience is actively interested. Reply to the first comments quickly because YouTube prioritizes recent comments, which boosts visibility. Subscriptions build a loyal audience who return for your new uploads. Ask viewers to subscribe and enable notifications so they see your future videos. Shares extend your reach beyond YouTube to external platforms and social media. Create shareable content that provides genuine value. Session time is the total watch time in one user session. Use playlists and end screens to keep viewers watching multiple videos. Finally, avoid the not interested signal. When viewers click not interested, YouTube learns not to recommend similar content, so avoid clickbait and misleading titles. Here are your key takeaways. First, optimize your metadata. Titles, descriptions, and tags are the foundation of YouTube SEO and should be your first priority. Second, prioritize watch time. Hook viewers early and maintain retention throughout your entire video. Third, monitor your metrics. Track click-through rate, retention, and engagement numbers to continuously refine your strategy. Fourth, implement and iterate. Apply these techniques to your next video and test what works best for your specific niche. Start today by applying these YouTube SEO techniques to your next upload and watch your search rankings and channel growth improve significantly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.